In a small village lived Clara, a woman with a kind husband, John, and two loving children, Lily and Sam. They didn't have much money, but were happy together. However, Clara dreamed of wealth, fine clothes, a big house, and a life free of struggle. One day, a wealthy merchant visited their village. He told stories of a city where anyone could become rich. His words stayed in Clara's mind. She looked at her small, simple home and thought, "Is this all my life will ever be?" Thought of wealth consumed her. One morning, Clara told John, "I'm leaving. I need more out of life." John's face filled with sadness. "Clara, we may be poor, but we are happy. The children need you. I need you." But Clara shook her head. "I can't stay here forever," her children cried, begging her not to leave. "Mama, don't go," Lily sobbed, holding her hand. Clara kissed them goodbye, her heart heavy, but she left to chase her dream. In the city, Clara worked hard and earned money. She bought beautiful clothes and lived in a large house, but she often felt empty. At night when she ate alone, she thought of her family. John's kind smile, Lily's laugh, and Sam's little hugs. She told herself that this was the price of success, but deep down, she wasn't happy. One day, she saw a family in the park, laughing and playing together. The children's laughter reminded her of Lily and Sam. Tears welled in her eyes as she realized what she had lost. "Money has given me nothing," she whispered, bags and returned to the village. Her heart raced as she knocked on her old door. When John opened it, he froze in shock. "Clara," he said softly. Lily and Sam peeked out from behind him. "Mama," they whispered. Clara dropped to her knees, tears streaming down her face. "I was wrong," she cried. "I thought money would make me happy, but it didn't. Please forgive me." John looked at her for a long moment. "Clara, you hurt us. But the children need their mother, and I still love you." Clara hugged her family tightly, her tears soaking their shoulders. She promised never to leave again. She finally understood that love and family are worth more than all the money in the world.